The number guessing game is a popular game among programmers. In the number guessing game, the program chooses a random number between two numbers and the user guesses the correct number. In this video, I will introduce you to how to make a number guessing game using the Python programming language. To create a guessing game, we need to write a program to pick a random number between 1 and 10. To provide guidance to the user, we can use conditional statements to tell the user whether the guessed number is less than, greater than, or equal to randomly selected number. Let's go. If the guessed number is less than the randomly selected number, the user will see too few. If the guessed number is higher than the randomly selected number, the user will see too many. When the user guessed the correct number, "You guessed right," will be displayed in the output.